Animals and nature, moths vs butterflies, night and day. Deep within whispering woods, as twilight fell, two different creatures stirred. Sam, a vibrant monarch butterfly by day, transformed into a mysterious lunar moth at night. Max, on the other hand, was a tiger moth, active only under the veil of darkness. As dawn broke, Sam awakened from his sleep in his chrysalis, unaware of the events that unfolded during the night. The forest seemed peaceful and serene under the golden rays of sunlight. Meanwhile, Max the tiger moth was wide awake, prowling through the woods in search of tasty morsels. As he fluttered from leaf to leaf, Sam's chrysalis caught his eye. Oje, etchetown, exitaden and style. Max, unbeknownst to him, was a fierce rival to Sam. Ashinteri, ichitsawam, gantoahitcho, gantatamanadabandy. He saw an opportunity in Sam's vulnerable state, as a caterpillar, and decided to seize it. Max sneaked closer to the chrysalis, intent on stealing its contents. But as Max reached for the chrysalis, something unexpected happened. The comb cracked open, and out stepped Sam, a beautiful monarch butterfly. Sam was startled, but quickly realized he had to protect his hard-earned nectar. He spread his wings wide and engaged Max in a fierce battle of wills. Exhausted from the battle, both creatures retreated to rest. As twilight approached, Max transformed into a caterpillar, while Sam remained a vibrant monarch butterfly. The next night, they would meet again, but this time they were more cautious of each other. And in child, assures. Underneath the silvery glow of the moon, they faced off once more. This time, they were more mindful of each other's territories, realizing that cooperation would be key to their survival. In the weeks that followed, they learned to work together, helping each other find food and protecting their home from predators. They discovered that by cooperating, they were stronger than when they were alone. One fine day, as they soared through the sky together, they realized that their friendship had brought peace to whispering woods. They danced and played in the sunlight, their bond stronger than ever. As twilight approached, they bid each other farewell for the night. Max transformed back into a tiger moth, while Sam changed into a lunar moth. Despite their differences, they had found common ground. The following morning, they went their separate ways, but not before promising to always help each other. As they soared through the sky once more, they realized that they had learned an important lesson. True friendship transcends differences and leads to a brighter future for all. Throughout their tale, Sam and Max learned valuable lessons about cooperation, understanding, and the importance of friendship. They discovered that by putting aside their differences, they could accomplish amazing things together. And so, deep within whispering woods, the legend of the moths versus butterflies continued to inspire future generations with their extraordinary story of unity.